guys, welcome to Colossus Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. In today's class, I want to talk about how to find relative frequency when you are given a frequency distribution. And in this place, we have an ungrouped data that I want to use to finding frequency and relative frequency. And in my next video, I will be talking about how to use group data to find relative frequency. And so here I have something like this. So I'm to prepare a distribution table. So to prepare the distribution table, you will have your letters. So you have the letters, then you have your tally, and you have your frequency. Then we now have our relative frequency. So that's what I short to be RF. So the first letter is A, then B, then C. Are you seeing that now? So doing this, your A, how many times did your A occur here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that means my A is 9. So the frequency here is what? 9. So the tally will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is how you do your tally. Then your B now is how many? 1, 2. So let's put that as star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your B is what? 6. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is 6. Then your C now, your C, let's put that as dot. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is 10, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So now, your relative frequency, I said the formula for finding your relative frequency is what? Actual frequency over total frequency. So what is the total frequency I have here? That will be 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 10, 25. And if you count everything you have here, it must also total to 25. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So that means our values here are very correct. So actual value 9 over total value. So this will be what? 9 over what? 25. And if you do 9 over 25 in your calculator, you are going to have 0.36. Alright. Then the next one is what? 6 over 25. You are going to have what? 0.24. Alright. Then if you do the last one, which is what? 10 over 25 also, that gives you 0.40. Do you get that now? Now, if you total what you have here, it must give you 1 or 100%. It must give you 1 or 100%. So let's add the 0.36 plus 24 will give us 0. This is 10, so this is 1 plus 6, that's 0.70. I mean 0.60, this is 5. So this is 0.60. 0.60 plus 0.4 will give us 1.00. Are you seeing that now? Or if you put this in percentage, that will be 36%. If you put this in percentage, that will be 24%. And if you put this in percentage also, that will also be giving us 40%. So 36 plus 24 is 60. 60 plus 40 will give us 100%. So with this is how you are going to be doing any questions on relative frequency. So the first thing you need to do is to know your frequency. After getting your frequency, prepare your tally. Then after getting your tally, you do actual frequency over what? Total frequency. And you can see that what I applied there, which is 9 over total, which is 25. Then the next one, 6 over total, which is what? 6 over 25. Then the last one, which is what? 10 over 25, which is 0.40. So this is how you are going to do that. So we are going to do the second example before we wrap up for today. So let's check out the second example now. So to second example, we have a question here. They say we should find the relative frequency of the distribution. We have the numbers here. So we have numbers So let's represent our number with in. Then we have tally now. Then we have frequency. I get what I'm saying now. Then we are now going to have our relative. So what are the numbers we have here? We have 0, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't have 7, so we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, so these are the numbers we have. So let's do the counting of these numbers. Alright. So 0 occurs how many times? 1 in every case. So 0 is 1, frequency is 1. Then we have 1. How many times do 1 occur in the first line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 6. So this 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2. How many times now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see I'm checking line by line. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 now, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12. Then 4, how many times? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think that's also okay. 13. 13. Let me check that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's 13. 1 and 3, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. I get what I'm saying now. We are still going to cross check everything later. Then 5 now. 5. We have 1. We have 1 there. We have 2 here. We have 3. We have 4. 4, 4, 4. We have 5 and we have 6. So this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 6. How many times now? 1. 1. Okay, let me start from here. This is 1. Okay. 1. This is 2. Okay, so 6 is 2. 1, 2. 2. So let's add up. We have 50 numbers here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 50. So let's add up this if you are going to have 50 there. So 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 13 is 21. 21 plus 12 will give us 33. 33 plus 10 will give us 43. 43 plus 6 will give us 49. And 49 plus 1 will give us 50. So that's our total 50. Alright. So now the frequency, the first one, don't forget your formula is what? Actual over total. So actual 1 over 50. This one will be what? 6 over 50. This will be what? 10 over 50. This will be 12 over 50. This will be 13 over 50. This will be 6 over 50. And this will be 2 over 50. don't forget that when you add up, you should get 1 or 100. All right. So let's find the points. I'll be using my calculator here to divide. So I have the first one, which is 1 divided by 50. That is 0.02. Then we have 6 dividing 50. We have 0.12. Then we have 10 over 50. So this is 0.2. Then we have 12 dividing 50. We have 0.24. Then we have 13 divided by 50. This is 0.26. Then we have 6 divided by 50. This is 0.12. And we have 2 divided by 50, which is 0.04. So let's add up and see if you are getting one. So we have 0.02 plus 0.12 plus 0.2 plus 0.24 plus 0.26 plus 0.12 plus 0.04. So that is exactly 1, as you can see. So that is 1.00, and I'm sure that's the same thing as 100%. So in my next video, I'll be talking about how you can use relative frequency, how you can use group data and finding your relative frequency. So don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that. Like this video and share to your friends and loved ones. Thank you very much.